what excited me so much was that so many times in life we hear information from people and we see teachers who are speaking and teaching us great, wonderful stuff, but we put a barrier between us and the person teaching. And we say, well, they spent 20 years in an ashram, or they were over in India, or they were homeless for 5 years, or they studied with a certain teacher, or did 10 years in theology, or has a doctorate, in et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. Well, I'm living proof, standing right here today. It doesn't matter. Anybody in this room is capable of getting any answer to any question they want. And all it is a matter of if you're ready. That's all.